For my sheep know my voice. My sheep know my voice. Get mad at me, but they know my voice. Don't want to do it. Don't want to do it. He ain't happy with me all the time. He was trying to marry my sister. It took a long time for me to hook them up. And there were some days he was not pleased with me. And neither was she. But my sheep know my voice. And a stranger, they won't follow. You never stop him from talking. You never stop him from getting in your ear. You'll never stop him from trying to hurt you. You'll never stop him from trying to get you to hurt other folk, trying to get you to retaliate, trying to get you to cuss people out, trying to get you to tell folk, oh, come on with me. Because some of y'all trying to act like y'all ain't never cussed before. You didn't cuss before and you ain't forgotten that one of them cuss words you used to use. And if you let the devil get in your ear, he'll have you saying them and acting like you don't know you said them. The devil is a liar. But you got to make sure that you understand that your shepherd is the one whose voice you got to hear. Because he's the one that got you on assignment. I hear voices. God bless you.